Lesson we talked about polygons in general. Today we want to consider a regular polygon. Starting with the definition for a regular polygon, this is all sides equal in length and all angles equal in size. Right, each interior angle can be calculated in this case, because if all angles are equal in size, it means we can calculate the size of each. Let's consider let's consider a situation whereby I have 300 sweets I want to give to 10 learners. So it means we just divide 300 by 10 if I am to give them equal numbers each. So we divide 300 by 10 to get 30. So each of the 10 will get 30 because they are getting equal numbers. Now, when we say the angles are all equal to each other, it means we can calculate the size of each because all the angles are equal to each other. So the size of each we can calculate it as sum of interior angles divided by number of sides, that is number of angles, which is equal to, we write down the expression for the sum of interior angles as n minus 2 in bracket 180 over number where n is the number of sides, so over n we get each angle in this case. For let's work on example 4, which says find the interior angles of a regular polygon with 12 sides for A, 15 sides for part B, 24 sides for part C, 30 sides for part D, and 40 sides for part E. Right. So it means for part A, right, then example 5 wants us to find the number of sides. It says how many sides is a regular polygon. It's a regular polygon. How many sides is a regular polygon if its interior angles are A 150 degrees, which means you are given the interior angle. Let's work with the A and you will do the other 4. Right, let's consider number of the size of interior angle is given as 150 degrees. So what should come to our mind is, how do we calculate the size of the interior angle of a regular polygon? We write down the expression for each interior angle of the regular polygon, which is n minus 2 in bracket 180 over n. So when we say n minus 2 in bracket 180 over n, we are saying sum of interior angles over number of sides. That is the size of the interior angle of a regular polygon. But we are given it as 150, so we equate this expression to 150. And we solve, it becomes an equation. We solve the equation for the value of n. So the first step is to do away with the fractions by multiplying both sides by n, so that on this side n and n will cancel off. We are left with the n minus 2 in bracket 180 equal to 150n. We multiply this side by n so that we get 150n. And next we remove brackets to find 180. You multiply by 180. So 180n minus 360 equal to 150n. Then 180n minus 150n is equal to 360. That is, we collect like terms. That's when we get 180n minus 150n equal to what? 360. We take 150n to this side to become minus 150n, and minus 360 to that side to become what? 360. so that we get 180n minus 150n equal to 30n. Our 30n is equal to what? 360. And we divide both sides by 30, so that 30 on and 30 on this side will cancel off. We are left with the n equal to 360 over 30, which is equal to 12 sides. We were calculating n as the number of sides, so our n is equal to 12 sides. What you should consider is, whatever we are given, we should mind the way of getting to that. Say, for example, this one, we are given each interior angle, and we should know how we calculate the interior angle. We just say sum of interior angles over number of angles. So if we write down that expression, we equate it to the given interior angle. And if we go back to the previous question,